Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here because today I'm going to be making a super easy, super delicious tortellini Alfredo pasta. Before we get started on our recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. The first thing I'm going to do is get started with my tortellini. I'm going to get my water boiling so it'll be ready for the pasta. I'll put in some salt once it starts to boil. Along with the tortellini, I have 4 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter softening. I have 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. I have 2 divided cups of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup each, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and my salt. And I also have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have greased this 9x13 baking dish so it'll be ready when I'm ready for it. Let's add the salt and then we'll put in our pasta. This pasta doesn't take long at all. In fact, when it starts floating to the top, that's a great indication that it's done. I drained the pasta in a colander and now I'm going to pour it in the prepared casserole dish. I'm going to preheat my oven to 375. Now over medium-high heat, I've added our butter and our garlic. I'm going to saute this around. I'm using the same pan, that way I don't have to dirty another one. We'll just let this go for 30 seconds, and now we'll add in our cream cheese. We'll also add in our cream, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to whisk our cream cheese into the cream for 4 to 5 minutes. At this time, you can add salt and pepper if you'd like. Our sauce is starting to thicken. Now we're going to add half of the Parmesan cheese and mix it in. If it gets too thick, just add a little bit more cream. I'm going to remove it from the heat now. This sauce looks so delicious. Okay, now I'm going to pour this sauce right over the top of our pasta. I'm going to pour on the mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to get this whole thing all mixed up together right in the baking dish. At this point, if you think it seems too dry, just go ahead and pour some cream right over the top and go ahead and mix it in. Now that the tortellini pasta is all mixed up, we're going to take the other half of the Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it evenly right over the top. I just put the pasta in the oven. We'll leave it in for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm so happy and grateful you were here to make this wonderful tortellini Alfredo pasta. My house just smells wonderful, like an Italian restaurant, and the pasta dish is absolutely delicious. I hope you give it a try and realize just how easy and delicious it is. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.